It's Sunday morning, but yeah, I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. And I just figure, since it's such a beautiful day, why go to the nearest shop? Why not go further afield? So I'm taking a long walk to a shop up top of the road. So I'm just on the high street walking down the road. Nothing's happening. It's really calm. It's going great. I'm outside and I'm not even wearing a coat. So that's how beautiful the weather is. The sky is gorgeous. A little bit of cloud, but nothing to be crazy about. The sun is out. Yeah. People are coming from church. Things like that. So it's a wonderful day. So I think this is where I'm going. They sell fruits and vegetables. I'm looking for some okra, and they have chocho as well. So let me see if this is the place that I need to be. So all the fresh produce are here. If I want to get my porridge, there's some plants as well. This, I don't know how to sell it to sell it. So tiny. As well. And I need to buy. Then I need to get garlic. I think I do. So I need to get some garlic here. And I need okra. Finished my little shopping. I got a bargain as well. I got some I got a bargain, you know, because what it is, it goes to the greengrocers. They have loads of stuff that's nearly going to its state, you know, like bananas, ripe bananas. The bananas like not like pretty, so it's, oh, look at this car. The bananas are not pretty. It's just one of those bananas that it's perfect for smoothies. So I bought it. Yeah. that I can hopefully and put in my freezer. So all I need is some almond milk and that's it. It's a lovely day to walk. The sky is beautiful and it's a lovely, beautiful day to walk. I could have taken the bus because it's like, I believe 4 bus stops of where I was going, but no need. I just took. But yeah. Okay. As we speak, here comes the street guy with all the streets sweeping. So I guess he's going up the road where I'm coming from. So there we go. Oh, I haven't got any avocado. Oh my gosh. Never mind. I get it probably tomorrow or something. But I'm so excited to go I'm going to try a new smoothie now. And I'm very, very excited. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a long video, a very long video, so guess what, let me take my time and get into it. So it's Easter coming up soon. Today is Wednesday, so what we do a week before Easter, we normally take the carrots. We got carrots, we got onions, we got bell pepper, we got scotch bonnet pepper, we have salt, we got pimento, we have sugar, and we also have white vinegar. What we do, we put the water on the cooker, then we add the vinegar inside the water, then you add your pimento, and then you have your salt and like 2 tablespoons or teaspoons of sugar inside it. Then we let that simmer down for a little bit, not too much, but just a little bit of heat in it. You take it off. Then you cut your carrots up, you cut your onions up, you cut your peppers up, you cut your bell peppers up, your scotch bonnet pepper up. Then you pour that liquid water, that water inside a bowl with all your vegetables cut up, and you let it simmer for maybe about 2 to 3 minutes in the bowl. And after that, you take it out of the bowl and you put it in a jar. You let it cool, you put it in the fridge. When Easter, what you do, you fry your fish or you fry your chicken, or in Jamaica we have something called the escabit fish. You fry your fish and then you cook it down with some vegetables, and then you have your pickle on the side to eat with your potatoes or your rice or whatever you fancy, or your bread, whatever you fancy. So this is what we do every Easter. It's a Caribbean thing, but I know definitely it's a Jamaican thing. So here we go. I'm trying to make it. I haven't made it for a very long time because I don't eat fish, but I do like the taste of it with fried chicken, whatever. So I'm making that for my Easter. As you know, I don't know, but my daughter is done from school for the Easter holiday, so I'm just making that so that we can have it for Easter. So I hope you enjoy it. Listen, please don't come for me in the comment section and saying, oh, Annette, that's not how you do it. Listen, I don't care. I do not eat fish, but this is how I do it for myself. I don't know how you do it. I don't know how your grandmother did it. Your great grandmother did it. This is how I do it. And it tastes well. So if you want to try it, feel free to try it. It's not something that I could do every day. It's just something for Easter. So don't come for me, please. But listen, enjoy the video and listen to the music while you try and do it, okay? Love.